Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Bridges, and we're going to do a lesson today on flying fish. So we have an article. We're going to read it and highlight it. And we're also going to do some questions after that. And then also I'd like you to watch a couple of the other videos that I posted about flying fish. And finally today, you'll put on a discussion board the at least 2 fun facts that you found were interesting. So let's get started. It's not a bird, not a plane, it's a flying fish. Did you know there is a group of fish known as flying fish? Flying fish are found in all the major oceans. There are over 40 known species. They are most common in warmer, tropical, and subtropical areas. Of course, a flying fish doesn't actually fly like a bird does, but it can jump out of the water and glide through the air. How does it do this? First, the flying fish swims near the water surface. Holding its side or pectoral fins close to its body, the fish's tail, called the caudal fin, propels the torpedo-shaped fish at speeds of 35 to 40 miles per hour. The tail is forked with the lower lobe longer than the upper lobe. This lower lobe acts like an outboard motor. Angling upward, the fish bursts above the water surface and into the air. Then the fish spreads its extra large pectoral fins and glides to hundreds of feet. What a great way to escape predators like mackerel, marlin, tuna, and swordfish. Flying fish have even been known to land on the decks of ships. In some parts of the world, fishermen scoop flying fish right out of the air with nets. Seabirds also sometimes scoop flying fish out of the air. So, let's highlight some important things here. They are common in the warmer tropical areas. They're found in all the major oceans. It can jump out of the water and glide through the air. And it told us that it holds its side fins close to its body, and its tail propels the torpedo-shaped fish at 35 to 40 miles per hour. So, the tail is forked and it works like an outboard motor. Using my green highlighter here. Okay, so, and some of its predators are mackerel, marlin, tuna, and swordfish. Okay. I thought it was cool that fishermen can scoop flying fish right out of the air with their nets. Let's go on. Night fishermen use lights to help them catch flying fish. The fishermen know that flying fish are attracted to the lights, so this is a great way to lure the fish to their boats and canoes. That's interesting. Flying fish are attracted to the lights. Near Catalina Island, off the coast of California, night tour boats also use lights. But this time, the lights are used to attract flying fish for tourists to see, not for fishermen to catch. One type of flying fish that might be seen on these tours is the California flying fish. It's one of the largest species, growing up to 18 inches long. It is also one of the 4-winged types of flying fish. This means that both its pectoral fins, remember pectoral was on its side, and the rear or pelvic fins are enlarged. So, California flying fish is one of the largest species, up to 18 inches long. Flying fish may not actually fly, but watching them shoot out of the water and glide above it is an exciting sight to see. So boys and girls, that is our article about flying fish. And I'm going to take in the next video some questions. And so we're going to stop this video here, and the next video will be the questions we do together. Thanks for reading, boys and girls.